Hello everyone, this is Shrawan Sir, making maths simple for you. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Karna Academy. Today's topic is sequence and series from class 12 mathematics. Here we go. Dear students, the question is find nth term and then sum to n terms. 2 plus 5 plus 14 plus 14 1 plus dot 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 dot. Dear students, in this question we have to find out the sum of, at first we have to find out nth term of the given series, then sum to n terms of the series. Dear students, the question is 2 plus, the series is 2 plus 5 plus 14 plus 41 plus dot 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 dot. So dear students, at first we have to check whether the given series is arithmetic or geometric series, so that we can easily find the general term and again the sum to n terms of the series. So when we look at the terms of the given series, if we find the difference between succeeding and preceding term, that means if we find the common difference, 5 minus 2, common difference means t2 minus t1, second term minus first term. 5 minus 2 we get 3, 14 minus 5 we get 9. The common difference are not the same. So let's find out the common ratio. T2 divided by T1. The common ratio is 5 divided by 2. Again, if we divide T3 by T2, third term by second term, the ratio is 14 by 5. So here, in this case, if we find the common difference, that means the difference between succeeding and preceding term, we have got the difference not the same. And again, if we find the ratio between the succeeding and preceding term, then the ratio are also not the same. That means this series is neither arithmetic series nor geometric series. So dear students, in this case we have to use the successive difference method. That means we have to subtract each succeeding term from the preceding term. Then after that we'll get a new type of series and we get the general term, as well as we can find out the sum to n terms of the series. So let's follow. Dear students, let's follow successive difference method. Dear students, in successive difference method, at first the sum of the series, given series we suppose as Sn, and the general term, or we can say nth term of the given series we suppose as Tn. And we suppose this as equation first. Then again we write the same series, so that we can subtract first term from the second term. Succeeding difference means subtracting second term, subtracting first term from the second term from the third term from the fourth term. So from each succeeding term we have to subtract the preceding term. So dear students, in order to subtract the succeeding, in order to take the difference between succeeding and preceding term, we write down the first term just below the second term, because we have to subtract 2 from 5. We have to subtract, we have to take the difference between succeeding and preceding terms. So we write down the first term of the series just below the second term. Similarly, we write down the second term just below the third term of the series. Similarly, we write down the third term just below the fourth term, plus Tn. So this means in this way we have to write down the same series. That means we have to move just one step to the right side. The given series we have to write just one step to the right side, so that we can apply the succeeding difference method. Successive difference method means subtracting each preceding term from the succeeding term. So this means now we have to take the difference. So Sn will cancel, Sn minus Sn 0. This 2 as it is, 5 minus 2 we get 3, 14 minus 5 we get 9, 41 minus 4 we get 27. Dear students, now the last term will be minus Tn, because we have moved the given series just one step to the right. So this Tn will go at the end of the series, and the last term we get minus Tn. So dear students, by solving this series we'll get the value of Tn. So let's move minus Tn to the left side. We get plus Tn. So dear students, if we move minus Tn to the left hand side, then the series will be 2 plus 3 plus 9 plus 27 plus ... to n terms. Dear students, now we'll isolate the first term, because if we just write 2 outside, then the remaining series will be 2n minus 1 terms. So this is, if we exclude the first term and if we look at the remaining terms of the series, then the remaining terms of the series is a geometric series. 9 divided by 3 we get 3, 27 divided by 9 again we get 3, that means common ratio we have got 3, that means we have got same common ratio. So the given series is geometric series. Dear students, the number of terms is given n. The number of terms is n. We have to find the sum to n terms. If we isolate the number 2 from the series, if we isolate one term from the series, then the remaining terms will be n minus 1. Dear students, now we'll apply the formula of the sum of geometric series, because 3 plus 9 plus 27 plus ... to n minus 1 terms, it is a geometric series. We know that the sum of geometric series is given by the formula a times Rn minus 1 divided by r minus 1. We know that Sn. Dear students, we know that Sn is equal to a times Rn, r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. So this is the formula to find the sum of geometric series. So let's put the value. So dear students, a means first term is 3, common ratio is t2 divided by t1, 9 divided by 3 we get 3, and the number of terms we have got n minus 1, n means replacing by n minus 1, because the number of terms is only n minus 1, 2 has been isolated from the series. Now r means t2 divided by t1, second term divided by first term, 9 divided by 3 we get 3, 3 minus 1. So dear students, now if we multiply 3 to the power n minus 1 by 3, then we get 3n minus 3 divided by 3 minus 1 means 2. So this is the general term of the given series Tn. Now next let's find out Sn, that means the sum of the first n terms of the series. Dear students, let's find out Sn. Let's find Sn. Sn means summation Tn. So let's substitute the value of 2 plus, this we can further simplify one step, 2 to the 4 plus 3n minus 3 divided by 2, which is again equal to 3 power n, 4 minus 3 means 1 divided by 2. So dear students, the general term of the given series is 3 power n plus 1 divided by 2 after simplification. So it is 3 power n plus 1 divided by 2. So dear students, we have substituted the value of Tn. Tn means 3 power n plus 1 divided by 2. So let's write down it as 3 power n plus summation 1. So dear students, now this series we can write as the sum of the two series. That means we can break down into two parts. We can break down into two series. Now summation 3n plus summation 1. So dear students, now we are going to find out the sum 1 divided by 2. Now 3 power n, this is again a geometric series. 3 power n, 3 power n means 3 power 1 plus summation 3n means 3 power 2, 3 power 3 plus 3 power n. So dear students, we know that the sum of geometric series is a r to the power n minus 1 divided r minus 1 plus summation 1 means n. We can write it as n equals 1 by 2. A means first term is 3. Common ratio is t2 by t1. That means again we get 3 power n plus n. Dear students, now if we do further simplification, we get 3 minus 1 2. 3 power n into 3 power 1, we get 3 power n plus 1 minus 3 1s are 3 plus n equals 1 over 2. 2 is the LCM. 3 power n plus 1 as it is. 2 times n, we get 2n. So dear students, the final answer is, dear students, the final answer is 2 times 2, we get 4, 1 by 4, 3 power n plus 1 plus 2n minus 3. So this is the sum of the given series. So dear students, the successive differences method, which is generally applied when the given series is neither arithmetic nor geometric. So dear students, I hope that you have understood how to find the general term and the sum to n terms of the given series by using the successive difference method. So thanks for watching this video. Next time we'll meet with a new content. Till then, bye, have a nice day. Thank you.